Hello everybody, today we look at the red line grinding disc of Worth, South Africa. It's a resin bonded disc and you will notice there's a blue line in the middle of the disc. The blue line is an indication that this is for mild steel. If it was green, it would have been for stainless steel. A resin bonded disc will absorb moisture and over time it can become brittle or it can shatter. That is why they've got a date stamp in the middle of the disc. Now, it is a low noise, low dust grinding disc. Ideal for removing welds, burrs, to clean up material. So the red line 6mm grinding disc is just for you. And remember, safety first, leather gloves, standard Worth safety glasses and a leather apron. And for the demonstration I'm going to utilize the M-Cube 18V cordless grinder.